Good morning, YouTube. What we're going to do today is going to show you a few of the mods I've made to my Harbor Freight titanium modular welding table. Alright, got all four of the 3-inch lock and swivel casters put on. And it comes with all the tools you'd need to do it, all the hardware. Even got some little deals there for drilling into wood and then screwing them up into it. One neat thing that a lot of other casters I had, they'll lock the wheels, is that it'll still swivel. But these actually have little locking tabs on there and it won't swivel or move, and that is just cool. Just giving the new casters a little test. Man, that thing rolls just as smooth. On these casters, they're an M10 by 1.5 bolt, and they'll screw right up into the nuts that are welded to the bottom of these legs that came on the table. And also, I had some extra 14 gauge material that been laying around for a long side, so I just cut it out, put a few little rivets in it, painted it black. Now I got me a good little shelf right here. Here's what I'll be using for some of my modifications. Just some 3/4 angle iron, an 18-inch tool holder magnet from Harbor Freight, some 3/16 round stock, just bent them into a J hook, 1/8 inch by 3/4 flat stock, and from Home Depot I got this 16 by 16 inch metal peg board here. Well, it seems like a good time to try this little table out. Got everything all set up there. I'll be using my new Arc Captain MiG 200. So far, just a couple little small projects with this thing, but that's an awesome little welder. It's a 6-in-1. Alright, got all of my little hanging hooks tacked on there. And that's one awesome thing about this little Arc Captain here, is it's got a feature there you can actually do just spot welds, and you can set it for how many seconds that it'll make a perfect spot welds every time, consistent. Awesome little feature. And also, these Arc Captain, this large view true color helmet is one of the most comfortable and way better than the other two brands I've tried in the past. It's slightly higher, but it's well worth it. It's got 4 bands on your head instead of the 3 like most of them. And look at that viewing area. I mean, this thing is definitely a nice helmet. Alright guys, I just made me some little angle brackets out of some extra 22 gauge material that I had left over from another project, which it seems to be the same thing this pegboard's made out of. Just tack welded it on there. Good penetration. I'll tell you what, this little Arc Captain is a real good little machine. Especially, I've been stick welding my whole life. I bought my little Flux 125 welder about 1.5 years ago, and just got this one a few weeks ago to step up to where I could do thinner stuff like that. And that MiG 200 Arc Captain, it is a 6-in-1. It's 110, 220 volt both. You can do either way. It'll do MiG aluminum, flux core, stick, spot weld, and that is adjustable to however big a weld you want to make, how length of time. And I really like that feature. That's how I've been doing this thin stuff. It also do lift TIG. The torch is extra for the lift TIG torch, but went ahead and got one of them. It'll do aluminum spool gun. You can change your pre and post flow on your gas. So, and I really like that Euro style torch that it's got on here. For the MiG aluminum, what I done, I ordered another torch, and you got to run a different liner in it than your steel liner with that aluminum wire. Change your tip a little bigger than what you would normally run with that size wire. But this has been a great little machine for me to learn on. It's comes with good manuals, Got some good information on the inside there to start your welds off with. All right, well, I reckon I'm done for now with my mods. So thought I'd give you a look around and see what I've done. That's what the magnet that I put on there for. And I found this at Home Depot, that fluorescent green, because I like that titanium color, so close enough, but just thought I'd add a little color to it. That's for all my clamps. And that bar and J-hooks hang all of my grinders and stuff on. And then the peg board, got most of my tool, and I gotta get a little basket so I can put my bolts in that come with it. So, and on these, to keep them from bopping around, them rare earth magnets that Harbor Freight sells in a tube, I think there's like 10 of them in it, work really great, keeps everything in place. And also, I made me some stops, that way I can put different size material in there. All it is a 5/8 bolt, buy them by the pound at Tractor Supply, 1/2 inch black iron pipe, just slips right over it. Then you can put it down in there, put your nut on it, and you can make them all different sizes. I've made 3 different sizes for it so far, and it's really in there. I mean, that's going to work really great. All right, we're going to wrap this project up. I hope everybody has a great day. I really appreciate you watching. I hope I give you some ideas to maybe help you and make your cart a little bit better. And if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up if you really like the video. I appreciate y'all.